So this is a recipe for Chinese beef brisket stew with Daikon radish. So I'm going to cut the big piece into two. It's about 2 pounds on this piece. So we've got some water boiling here. We're going to put the beef brisket into the water for about 10 to 15 minutes just to get rid of some of the fat impurities in the blood. Keep the pieces fairly large. Okay, just like that. So we just use a potato peeler to peel the skin. Use a potato peeler to peel the skin of the daikon. This is a large one. So this, just cut off the ends first. So I'll just cut off the ends there. So we're just going to cut it in fairly large pieces. So you don't have to cut it any pattern, you know, just rough cut it like that. So put about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. So put in some ginger and garlic. You can leave these in large pieces. So turn the heat on to high and just sear the ginger and the garlic. So the beef brisket has been parboiled. We'll now put the beef brisket into the pot. Okay. Okay, so put about 3 to 4 cups of water in there. Yeah, I know. So put 1 teaspoon of salt. So put about half a teaspoon of chicken soup base. Put 1 teaspoon of brown sugar in there. Put about half a teaspoon of sesame oil.
1 teaspoon.
So put 1 to 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Put 1 to 2 teaspoons of oyster flavored sauce.
Go ahead.
Okay, half a mandarin orange peel. So maybe 2 or 3 pieces. Put about 3 star anise in there. So star anise has a licorice type of flavor. And finally, put 2 bay leaves in there. Cover with a lid. So let the beef brisket simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours. Make sure you turn the heat down to medium when the water starts boiling. The beef brisket has been boiling for about half an hour. So now we're going to put in the daikon radish. So we got about maybe 3 to 4 cups of daikon radish. So if you want to darken the sauce, just add a small amount of dark soy sauce. A teaspoon will do it. So this is the special sauce that we need. It's Chu Hou Paste. So this has fermented bean curd in it. So it has lots of complex bean flavor. So you put about 2 tablespoons of this paste in there. Put 2 tablespoons and just mix it in. And continue to simmer. So put the cover back on. So just taste some of the beef, see if it's tender enough. So I tried it out, it's already tender enough. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a 1/3 cup of water. So we're just going to thicken the sauce. So put a little bit at a time. There you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for beef brisket with Daikon radish. Enjoy.